Hey guys, Shell here. Welcome back to my channel. I just really didn't feel much like making a video today, so I'm just going to relax in my favorite reading chair with a good book. I'm reading the Harry Potter series. I like it. Pretty good so far. What? No! No! Snape kills Dumbledore? Oh, he had the most beautiful beard. I can't stand it. Let's go out to the shop and get started. It's time for another It Firecracker video. Remember, I make these videos to entertain and educate. They're not for you to emulate, so please don't ever try to make a firecracker out of a book at home. Let's get started. To begin with, I think what we're going to need to do is just put a fuse hole right into the middle of the book. So the idea is here is I'm going to use about a middle 3/5 of the book to drill a cavity hole through. But before that, I'm going to use the small bit to drill a fuse hole right through the top into the middle of that cavity. Might as well just go ahead and drill all the way through. Yeah, that'll be fine. What we'll do is we'll do this. Lined up nice and straight. And we'll go ahead and drill a fuse hole right in the middle. Alright, remember, fuse is cheap, fingers aren't, so I'm going to use quite a bit of extra fuse here. I only need to go as far as that first 1/5 of the book, so let's just do cavity for flash powder. I don't know how much flash powder I can get inside of a 1/2 inch volume, 3/4 of an inch down. Not sure. Let's see. Made it kind of poke up there quite a bit. That first one got a little squirrely. Let's cut us out a little square here. There, I can sort of see what's happening now. Certainly I can get 2, maybe 2.5, 3 grams in that cavity there. That flash power is very powerful. It should be enough. The fuse go right in the right place. Got some flash powder already mixed up here. I think I estimated 2.5 would fit, so let me go ahead and start with 2.6. See what I get. Right very gently down inside of the hole there. Estimated that pretty closely, I think. No glue, no tape. No, I don't think I need anything. Just like that. Any idiot can put a firecracker into a book, but I'm the type of idiot that makes a firecracker out of a book. Let's go outside and set this bad boy off. Alright guys, I got my safety gear ready to roll. I've got the offending piece of literature here with 2.6 grams of flash powder embedded within a 1/2 inch hole drilled about 3/5 of the way into the middle of the book's pages. We're going to turn this fantasy into some science fiction. Wingardium Leviosa. That's the only one I know is Wingardium Leviosa. I'm not quite nerdy enough. Sorry, folks. Let's get my slow-mo rolling. Okay. I'm not worried about projectiles too bad from the book. Maybe I should have. That came down about 5 feet from me. No. I didn't roll slow-mo. So bad. Well, part of the book landed way over there. Let's see, there's the back of the book. That's a hardcover too. God, it smells so good. There's more front cover there. Hi guys, I hope you liked that. If you did, give me a big fat thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you got comments, questions, and suggestions, you know, what should I whip Firecracker next? Or are you offended by the fact that I blew up a Harry Potter book? Comments, questions down below. Share it with friends or family if you think they might like to check it out. And subscribe to my channel. But only if you think I earned it. I got a mess to clean up now. Bring me the rake!
You're a right foul git, you know that.